Hello, my name is Noah Elkreef, and I'm making this video to share with you that I have two full-day workshops coming up in London on December 1st and December 14th. And these workshops are meant to help you discover that you are enough as you are. I'll say that again, maybe differently. You are enough as you are. Now, it's one thing to know that intellectually, and it's another thing to really feel that in your whole experience and to live with that deep, full knowing. And in this workshop, I'm going to guide you through different types of exercises, provide different types of pointers, perhaps meditations, perhaps explanations. I'm not exactly sure what, in order to help you live closer to the knowing that you are enough as you are, to give you some, open some doorways into that, to get you out of some prisons that make you feel like you are not enough as you are, or make you believe that you are not enough as you are. So if I say, you are enough as you are, exactly as you are, notice what comes up in you. Does your body say, yes, I feel that? Does it feel nice? Does it feel like, no, definitely not? Does it feel scary, like maybe if I discover that, I'll lose my motivation, or I don't know who I am, or who knows what? In this workshop, we'll explore your experience, your resistance to living with this knowing that you are enough as you are, the resistance to letting go of the different forms of feeling inadequate, insufficient, unworthy, unlovable, the different ways we're attached to it, the different stories and beliefs we have that make us feel like we're not enough. I should be happier. I should have less negative emotions. I should be more successful. I should be married. I should have kids. I should have more friends. I should have a different career or be further along. So many beliefs, so many ideas of how we should be. But what if you were just enough as you are already? And all these ideas, all these beliefs weren't actually true, don't actually define you, aren't comparisons that actually came from you, but rather were imposed onto you by your parents, your teachers, and your society. A life of constantly being compared. Growing up, you should be potty trained by now. You should be walking by now. You should be talking by now. In school, it's not okay to talk like this. It's not okay to talk in this moment. It's not okay to cry here. It's not okay to play now. It's not okay. It's not okay. The comparisons, you didn't do well enough. Everything we produce as a child is graded, compared. And then, of course, that continues on in every way, through social interactions, in our work, in so many different ways. So in this workshop, I am going to do my best to support you to break as many of these mechanisms and patterns as I possibly can help you with, so that you can know who you are more clearly, which is very simply enough, complete, okay, lovable, worthy, whatever word you want to use. So if you'd like to know more, then I welcome you to click a link somewhere. If it's on YouTube, maybe it's in a card on the top right or left or somewhere, or maybe in the link in the description. If you're watching this on Facebook or somewhere else, then you'll see more information somewhere else. So If this resonates with you, if you feel a resonance with how I speak, where I'm coming from and what I share, then I really welcome you to come. I also maybe will say that, I have gone through so much unworthiness, so much feelings of being not good enough, so much constant improvement and fixing, whether that's trying to be productive or was getting stronger or getting more successful or getting more enlightened or getting happier or fixing and healing more emotions. I've been through so many versions of feeling not enough and living my life from this place, and I know the pain of it. I know the clever ways that we get trapped and sucked into it, and I want to help other people, you perhaps, to break free of it simple and easier, less painful than it was for me. And I still have patterns and mechanisms that cause me to feel not enough sometimes in subtle ways that I'm not aware of. Like I'll realize it, that I didn't know was there, and then boom, I see it, and it's like, wow, that was still there. So I'm not at the end of the road, if there is such a thing, but I think I've broken out of enough prisons in my mind and body to be really, really supportive for you in this journey, if you feel like it. So that's that. Once again, click the link to discover more, and perhaps I'll see you there. You're really welcome. Bye.